on, guys? This your boy L, back with another video, and today I just received my package. What I've been waiting on, it was my it's my reflectors. So let's open it up and see what it is. Right now I'm using one hand, as you can kind of tell. Here we go. And it is LED side markers. That's the proper name for it. So I'm just doing a little quick video, letting y'all know it came in. There it is. Another mod that I'm gonna do to my Camaro. And let's see. And there they are. I got them smoked black because I'm blacking it out. Why not? So yeah. So stay tuned, man. Just a little quick video for y'all, letting y'all know that mods is continuously coming. And man, these are nice. These are nice. Yep. So I'll be putting those on real soon. And yeah, you know. But holla back at your boy, man. It's your boy.